In my last video, I had mentioned about mother's perspective. In this series, When the Two Seas Meet, written by Muhammad, I want to mention how beautifully she has explained how a mother-in-law can keep all the relations intact, how she can take the initiative and become the role model in her life. The very first point that she needs to take care is acknowledge that her son is going to get married. Yes, when she agrees that her son is getting married, she has to also agree that the relationship between the two, that is the son and the mother, is no longer being the same. The chemistry of their relationship is likely to change. Number two, she has to respect his decisions. He may be taking certain decisions that she may not like, but as a mother, she needs to accept that her son has his own priorities and he has to decide according to his will. Number three, she also has to admit that his wife is also playing a vital role in his family and his life. That is, she is also one of the important people in his life. Number four, she has to reflect on the point that when we have differences between each other, maybe our thought process, it is making us spiritually grow. It helps us to decide what is good and what is bad. It also helps us to be patient. That's how we grow spiritually. Number five, the mother in law has to know why she is here. The purpose of life has to be very clear. When that is there, she is able to understand that here the life is not meant to impress people, to not show the superiority or inferiority, to not give critical feedback in such a way that it can hurt people. We are here to serve Almighty, to serve Him alone. And when that is clear, we are able to face all these trials and tribulations with patience and peace. Let us all enjoin good and forbid evil, make each other's life happy and contented. Follow me on all social media handles. Also, subscribe the channel for more such videos. Let me know what are your challenges as a mother-in-law or as a daughter-in-law so that I can serve you better.